Hello, thanks for watching the video. So today I'm going to be removing the belt off of this PYLE Pure Clean washing machine. This is a portable washing machine that you can use indoor, outdoors, recreational vehicles, wherever. I use it outside, and I'm going to replace the belt today. I've never done this, so I'm going to show you how I hope to do it, and how this operates is we got the washing machine on this side, and we got the spin dryer on this side here. It's actually working okay, but I'm going to get rid of this, so I thought I would just go ahead and make a quick video in case someone is having slipping, or their washing machine is just not moving at all, or something. Maybe its belt is broken. So let's take a look at it here. Also, this is the model number right here. Hopefully you can see that. Here we are on the back side. We've got it unplugged. We're going to take these two screws off here. It's just a panel here. Alright, so got them both out. Looks like it just pulls off. Okay, so let's take a look. Alright, so yeah, there's the belt right there. So you've got a pulley, the big pulley, and then you've got the motor pulley right there. Alright, so it's not that easy to access. I can move it with my hand. Let me lay this down. So yeah, I can access the big pulley. Really can't get to the small pulley. I don't want to take this bottom part off here. It looks pretty involved. So hopefully we'll be able to do it from here. Okay, it's very sunny here. I don't know how good you're going to be able to see this, but what I'll do is I'll take my screwdriver, push the belt down right before the pulley, and tuck the screwdriver underneath the bottom of the pulley. Yeah, kind of like that. Can you see that? Hopefully you can see that. You can see the belt is just about ready to come off. As I continue to turn the pulley, it will exit the, and I have to keep the screwdriver locked in, and it's just about ready to come off. Okay, so it is off. There, it's off. Okay, so the belt is off. We just need to push it down past or underneath the big pulley, and the other side where the top of the motor is at, we pull it off there on the other side. Alright, okay, so pull the belt over the top of the shaft. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, there is space there to do that, so maybe you can see that it's off. Okay, at this point, alright, so here we are coming off of the top of the pulley. Okay, we do have room there to do that. Now I bring it right between the motor housing and then the big pulley. It's off. Okay, so let's take it out. It's a V-belt. That is the number right there. Okay, so yeah, this belt is good. I'm having trouble with my spin dryer, so I'm going to replace this with something else, another washing machine. So let's go ahead and see how easy it is to put back in place. So going back in place, we're just going to kind of fold it up, slip it through the top here. We want to get it back on the top of the motor pulley. We have that gap there, that space. So we need to slide it over there, and I'm going to probably need a long screwdriver to do that. Taking a screwdriver, pushing it over the pulley, attempting to. It's like sitting right on top of it now. All right, so it is over it. All right, so here we are over. Okay, now in between, right in here, we need to push it through. And there are fins on the bottom of the of this housing. It's like a top plate. We push, put a screwdriver in there and turn it. Yeah, we've already gone through. So I had it right in between the two. Took this plate here, there's fins. Took a screwdriver, pushed it to my right, and it sent the belt through. So, all right, so now we just need to align the pulleys. Grab the belt. Okay, now I have the belt on the motor pulley. It's not very tight. It just went off, just came off. But it's lined up, so I'm going to take the belt, put it on the big washing machine pulley, and I'm just going to turn it by hand. I'm going to turn it to the right. Alright, so I couldn't get the camera in there, but basically just taking my hand, and once the belt was on the big pulley, I just turned it again until it went on. It wasn't very tight, and it's not stretched out. It's just the way it is. So it's on there. Let's try it out. I hope you can see kind of what we've got here. Okay, so we will plug it up and see, let you see that it is working. Alright, with the belt on, I want to check and make sure that I don't need to adjust the belt. So let's go ahead and turn the washing machine on. And what I want to make sure is that it's strong enough, you know, to wash the clothes, obviously. And by testing it, I guess I could use my hand to do that. Let's wait till it goes off. I don't want to easily be able to hold it. So yeah, that kind of hurt. So yeah, I mean, just imagine, you know, you're not supposed to have, I think, about 8 pounds in here anyway. So let's try that again. All right, so I may need to adjust it. I'll do some clothes and I'll, you know, decide that way. But if I do need to adjust it, there is an adjustment underneath, and let me show you how to do that. Alright, so here's where we were working at. Let me give you some light. Alright, I don't know if you can see, but yes, I see the belt on the main motor. Alright, well, if we turn the motor if we turn it counterclockwise, is that right? Let's see. Anyway, if we turn it to the left, I guess, it will tighten the belt. And that can be done underneath here. Right here, there's 3 nuts. Let's go ahead and turn this. Be careful when turning it all the way up, because you don't want to have this come out or this disengage from the plunger. So yeah, here's where the motor is at. So yeah, if we turn it counterclockwise, it's going to tighten that belt. And to do that, you would loosen these nuts here. Looks like these 2 nuts, maybe this one too. I don't have them loosened. But see the slot that you have, the room that you can turn it a little bit once you get all the nuts loosened, and then tighten it back once you've filled it in space that you need, and that should tighten the belt. So, all right, I guess that'll be it. I'm not sure if I need to do that or not. Like I said, I'll wash some clothes first. But yeah, that's going to be it for this PYLE. What is it called again? Pure Clean. Hope it's been helpful. Thank you for watching. Until next time, have a nice day. Take care.